Read and say.
Hello, Andy. Hi, Tomal. How are you? Fine, thanks. Andy, meet my friend, Shima Zaman. And Shima, this is Andy, Andy Smith.
Hello, Mr. Smith.
Hello. Please call me Andy. And can I call you Shima?
Sure.
Please sit down. Let's chat.
Read and say from Activity G of your textbook. If you want to listen again, then click on the button. Language focus. Useful expressions. Meet my friend or cousin or classmate, etc. Please call me Andy or Shima, etc. Pair word. Introduce a friend. Use the useful expressions. Pair word. Introduce a friend. Use the following expressions.